The silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, I whisper it in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you in a world so chaotic. Your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart song. Together we belong. Two souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it all. Bound by your love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home. Together, forever, never do wrong. So here's my heart in words unsaid. To the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never cease. The silence of the night, I feel your presence here. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm light. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you in a world so chaotic. Your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart. So together we belong. To souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it all. Bound by a love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home. Together, forever, never too wrong. So here's my heart in words unsaid. To the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never cease. Is your romance and words unsaid to the one I love, my forever ahead. In your embrace I find my home. Together, forever, never too wrong. So here's my heart in words unsaid. To the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find head. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never. In silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you in a world so chaotic. Your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart's song. Together we belong. Two souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it In quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you like a dance in the rain. Our love a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love, everything feels so right. So here's my song, testament to our love. Like a soaring eagle, reaching heights above. Forever and always, you're my guiding star in this journey of love. No matter how far, you and I, a story written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find my eternal sea.
Silence of the night, I feel your presence here. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear, like a gentle silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you in a world so chaotic. Your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart's song. Together we belong, two souls forever strong. Through highs and lows we'll face it all, bound by a love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home, together forever, never to roam. So here's my heart in words unsaid, to the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my
In silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you in a world so chaotic. Your love rings true. You're the